And next is services provided by government. So in case your supplier is a government and the government is providing certain services, then as a recipient, I'm supposed to pay tax under RCM. So what are all the services that are excluded? So here they're saying services supplied other than. So these things do not come under RCM. So first they have mentioned renting of immovable property, but later on they have actually amended the notification. They have amended notification 13 of 2017, telling that in case you have rented any immovable property from central government or state government and you are a person registered under GST, then RCM is applicable. Right? Neil sir will share the PPT, so don't worry. Registered person but do not collect tax. GT is registered person but he do not collect tax from registered person. Is he still under reverse charge mechanism? Yes sir, he'll still be under, it will still be under reverse charge mechanism only. If GTA raise freight invoice at 12%, can we take ITC? Sir, if it's 12%, RCM will not be applicable at all. So RCM is applicable only if it's 5%. Whether rent paid by a registered person to unregistered person is liable to RCM, no sir. No, it is not there in the specified goods or service, it's not there. Venkateshan sir, what rate sir? GTA service provided to unregistered person, but service is below threshold limit of 750 and 1500. Such GTA liable to be registered? No sir, if they are below the threshold limit, they needn't register. If they are below for 20 lakhs. So sale of trucks will not come under RCM. So sale of trucks is not included in the list, right? Only GTA services is included, not sale of truck. Securities charges, yes sir, we'll be coming to it. Okay, so next is services in relation to copyright. So if I'm a music composer or a photographer or an author and I have some original work that I want to copyright, then that will come under RCM, right? Next is services of banking and insurance. So I'll not go into this very deeply. So you can just it's self understanding. So and also the PPT I will give you. Don't worry, all the list is there over here. It is updated. So all these insurance recovery agents, business facilitators, and all will come under RCM.
Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotax help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotax from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotax. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotax. In just 2 minutes, Optotax fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotax, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotax now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotax. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up and support. We focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotax. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotax.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotax, but I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotax. This is the software link, https://gst.optotax.com, Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotax. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.